really appreciate the talk and I enjoyed it so much. There's so much information. I have sort of a two-part question. One is how can Algeria ensure energy security while transitioning towards low carbon and clean energy systems? I'm not sure how familiar you are with Algeria, but any similar countries will do. The other part is how can international cooperation and partnership support technologies transfer and strengthen local capacity building in Algeria. Thank you very much.
For the terms of energy security, there's no, and for Algeria now, I have to excuse myself, I do not know the full picture of Algeria, but let's say some of the steps are, of course, to introduce more and more, let's say, renewables, and then, let's say, apply what you already have, and then give more and more space for the renewables to produce what is needed, and in that way lower the let's say, the consumption of fossil fuel, and in that way be independent. But in your case, where I would expect that you have an extremely predictable sun, right? What you then should, of course, look at is the ability, to say, to postpone what you have produced during the day to the night in terms of it, and then have let's say, some kind of backup or older plants which can support the rest of let's say, the time where you do not have enough. But I'll be keen to, let's say, take a discussion on that, how really to do it in a very, very big scale in terms of coming closer to 100%. In terms of technology transfer collaboration, I think through the universities we can do things. Through, let's say, programs where you, let's say, invest in and try to get technology, I think there could also be set up some schemes where somehow technology transfer could be seen. I think what the companies need, if in order to invest heavily, is some kind of security of, let's say, orders, if that's the right word to use. If it's uncertain year by year what let's say is going to happen, then it's maybe too risky for, let's say, companies to do local manufacturing and do local engineering and so on. But if the, let's say, the prediction, the perspectives are, let's say, more clear and safe, then I think there are much better possibilities to be a part of that. But at the university level, I will also be quite keen to collaborate with you on that.